And for y'all who think people watching my YouTube channel is sad, my mom is evil. She would not let me in her house at all. My mom is evil. Like, swear to God, my dear grandma, my mom is evil. So I turned 300 pounds. It's not sad if you. The uncle that always make noise is real. I'm like, bullshit, bullshit. The uncle that always make noise. He said the only cartoons I watch is Dragon Ball Z and Boondocks. He said I ain't scared of none of y'all niggas. He's a short light skinned nigga that play football. His name is Corey. Short brown skin light skinned nigga. He be like, I promise you, I ain't scared of these niggas. He got a voice to him. He's real. The uncle that always make noise is real. And he be like, looking off that lean, I'll be whooping everybody ass. That's how you talk about, man, I ain't scared none of y'all niggas. He said, I'm looking off that lean, I whoop everybody ass. That's exactly how he sound. To the uncle that always make noise is real. He's the bullshit guy. I said bullshit. He said bullshit. He said bullshit. Bullshit. He's a short, light skinned, brown skinned guy. He said bullshit. He on the bullshit guy.